Upon receiving the new machine, check the outer packaging for damage. Unpack only if intact. Open from the front to avoid missing accessories. Unpack and identify all accessories and the main unit. The package includes perforated cardboard 1. Install cardboard 1. Oil cup X1. Air outlet X1. Exhaust duct 150mm X1. User manual X1. Installation tips X1. Mounting hardware kit for range hood X1. Mounting plate X1. Range hood main unit X1.